In this video, I'll show you how to add a new user to your Google My Business listing. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to the website business.google.com. Now you need to make sure you're logged into the account that manages your Google My Business. So I'm just going to swap accounts in the top right hand side of the screen here. Here's a list of all of the businesses that I currently manage under this account. So all you need to do is click on the business that you want to add a user to. And that will bring up this window here where we can do a bunch of things like edit the profile, read the reviews, and check the performance of our Google My Business listing. But what we're going to do is hit these three vertical dots on the right hand side and select Business Profile Settings. Now right at the top you can see People and Access. Click this, click on the Add button, and then just type in the email address of the person that you want to add to this listing. Then you can simply select them from the drop-down list below. Underneath Access, I'd recommend selecting Manager. The only time you really want to set this to Owner is if you're transferring ownership of the business. Then all we need to do is click Invite, and what will happen now is it will go into this pending status, and this person basically just needs to go into their email account, verify the email, click the link, and they'll now have access to this Google My Business listing. And it's really as simple as that, guys. That's how you add someone to your Google My Business. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.